To access SharePoint in Office 365, follow these steps. Log into Office 365. Open your web browser and go to the Office 365 login page. Enter your Microsoft 365 credentials and sign in. Access the App Launcher. Once logged in, locate the App Launcher in the top left corner of the screen. It is represented by a grid of 9 dots. Open SharePoint. Click on the App Launcher icon to display a list of Office 365 applications. Find and click on SharePoint to open the SharePoint app. Navigate SharePoint. You will be directed to the SharePoint homepage. Here you can see your SharePoint sites, including those you frequently visit and those shared with you. Access specific sites. To access a specific SharePoint site, click on this link from the SharePoint homepage. You can also use the search bar at the top to find specific sites or content. Explore features. Within SharePoint, you can explore document libraries, lists, pages, and other features relevant to your collaboration and content management needs.